I'm Jennifer Foster. I'm the president of Foster Results, and we provide outsourced accounting solutions to small businesses and nonprofits. We started working with Paleo a few years ago when we had outgrown or got smarter about doing our IT. I tell the story very similar to the one I tell for my own company, which is that we always tell our clients that they shouldn't be doing the accounting stuff, they should focus on what they're really good at. Sometimes you don't listen to yourself, or we would have a long time prior to that had someone else do IT, because clearly we're accountants and not IT professionals. So when we got to a point where we had gone through a couple of different servers and we were to the point where we had to buy another server, I decided there just had to be a better solution. We contacted Paleo and met with them at that point about taking all of our systems and putting it into their cloud. Our situation is somewhat unique in that our clients are accessing our servers. So a unique challenge that comes with that is that they want to be on the server from 8 to 5 every day. So whenever something has to change on the server, or we're putting on a new piece of software, or we're having to make efficiency changes, Paleo has to do that after hours. And I don't know a lot of providers that would do that and do it without complaining. I would say that the biggest thing I've gained by utilizing Paleo and their services is a whole employee. I had one person that spent all of her time messing around with nothing other than IT situations. She has more time, she's able to do other productive work that's billable to our clients, and she's much happier not dealing with IT issues all the time. As my business continues to grow and we continue to change, Paleo is an integral part of that. They let me spend my time focused on growing my business and my accounting issues and my accounting clients versus spending our time on IT issues. Their system has made it so much easier for us. We are able to work on the stuff that's important to us and not deal with the stuff that someone else is significantly better at dealing with.